Let us look at some basic definitions. The first definition is called as polarizer. We saw earlier that the phenomenon in which the electric field vectors are confined to one plane is called as polarization. Now this confinement may happen naturally or by some other method. If it is done by man, then we can do it in two ways. One is by using some crystals which occur naturally, like calcite crystal, quartz crystal, or tourmaline crystal. So by using these crystals, it's called tourmaline. So by using these crystals, we can confine the vibrations to a given directions, or in simple language, by using these crystals, they can polarize light. And also, there are some man-made devices which is also used to polarize light. So any device, whether man-made or occurs naturally, which is used to polarize light, is called as polarizer. Now in case of polarizer, there will be an axis as seen here. So in case of a light which is unpolarized, and if this light falls on this polarizer, then what comes out is only those vibrations which are parallel to this axis will come out. But the basic point here is these polarizers will polarize light. Next definition is called as analyzer. Now the thing is, we need to verify as to whether light is polarized or not. We can't tell it naturally, as we need the help of certain devices. Those devices which are used to tell or analyze whether a given light is polarized or not is called as an analyzer. But technically, these two are the same devices only, which means a polarizer can act as analyzer and then vice versa. So what comes first, or what is placed in front of the unpolarized light, that is called as polarizer, and what is used to analyze is called as an analyzer. In this case, A is called the polarizer and B is the analyzer. We can change it also. We can put this device here and this device here, and still the effect will be same. That is called as analyzer. Now how it works is that if you place an analyzer here like this, then again all the vibrations will pass through it. So if you rotate it at certain angle, the intensity of light will decrease. So by knowing the intensity variations, we can tell whether light is polarized or not. We'll see this later. The next definition is called as plane of polarization, and one more definition is called as plane of vibrations. We saw that in case of a polarized light, the electric field vibrations are confined to only one plane. So that plane which contains the plane of vibrations is called as plane of vibration. For example, here in this case, a plane which is containing this is called as plane of vibration. So as shown here, this is the axis, and what is falling here is unpolarized light. Now after this, since the axis is parallel to this plane, the light or the vibrations which comes out will be having the vibrations which is parallel to this plane. So the plane which contains this is called as plane of vibration, and the plane which is perpendicular to the plane of vibration is called as plane of polarization. But keep in mind that since electric field vectors are confined to plane of vibration. The plane of polarizations does not contain vibrations.